Okay, so back to my exhaust fiasco. This is a new Denso oxygen sensor for my 85 C4 Corvette. And here is the original. Now, even if the sensor wasn't completely bad, this looks like complete garbage, right? I mean, it's super corroded out. I think this was about a $30 part, so you might as well just go ahead. If you're going to get one of these cars, just go ahead and replace this, even if it's not bad. The worst case scenario is that your car is going to run a little bit more efficiently. That is the worst case scenario. Now, if you look at these, you'll notice it's only held in by a couple threads, like three threads or so. So even though these things do get seized in there from time to time, you shouldn't have to wrench on it that bad. A little penetrating lube, let it soak there overnight if you need it to really saturate. But it shouldn't be that hard to get out. And also be mindful that when you're reinstalling this in here, you know, again, you've got three threads and a little bit of a crush washer kind of thing going on. So once you get this, just snug, you're only going to want to crank it like maybe an eighth or a quarter of a turn. And there's going to be some instructions on the box with your oxygen sensor as to how much to torque it down. You don't need to, they just need to be snug, You don't have to really wrench down on it. You definitely want to use the anti-seize that comes with it. That's a must. But do not get the anti-seize on this sensor tip. Don't smush it on there. You just need a little. I mean, just get a little bit on there. You don't have to go crazy with it. But I mean, look at what a difference $30 makes. So if you're going to be doing what I'm doing where you got to take stuff apart anyway, just go ahead and replace the stuff. It's well worth your time and money. Just some food for thought.